Baby, listen, ain't nothing like getting dragged in the comment section. Was this my right shade? Did I screw up the initial review? I reordered. It took 2 weeks to get here. Let's try to get this thing back on track. Good morning, Frugal Glam fam. I just have to come and address the elephant in the room. The clips that y'all gonna see are previously recorded, of course. The whole Juvias debacle is just like throwing me for a loop. Not quick to judge because I tend to have the unpopular opinion. So much so, did I think Juvias pander when they release a complexion products and then reach out to the bigger influencers? Absolutely. However, I feel like there's smaller influencers of color, black women and men, who they reach out to as well, but they get overshadowed because they don't have the higher following. I also feel like if all parties didn't want to collaborate and messages were sent, then it should have been left on the underside and we would have never known about it. People only put out there what they want you to know. I would have personally handled it different. You know, if I was Alyssa and I was Jackie, like, I would just handle it like, I'm just going to ignore this. They'll get the message. We don't want their product. That's just me. Also, Juvia's posting Jeffrey, had that been my business, I would have not done that. I mean, he bought it with his own coin, but I would have not posted him. But I can't tell Juvia's how to run their business. But will I still support Juvia's? Yeah. Every corner you turn on this beauty community, somebody has aligned themselves with somebody problematic. For Juvia's, this needs to be a learning lesson. But when I say everybody has aligned themselves with problematic, from the ones that shout out Morphe from the rooftops. Who did Morphe have a brush collab with? Jeffrey. Who did Jouer have a lip gloss collection with? Jeffrey. But let Jouer take them away with Jouer to Italy. Everybody goes on the trip. So again, everybody aligned themselves with somebody problematic somewhat to a sort. And for me, I just want to say with the cancel culture, being a black woman, being a black influencer, I know we're not treated fairly. I'm just not canceling Juvia's place. So on to my review. Okay, so I gotta get ready to go to work, but Juvia's place, the color Burkina is here. This took 2.5 weeks to get to me. So I already have a review on this. So I got dragged for that other shade not being my color. So let's get this on and give this a wear test throughout the day to see how this is Burkina. The shade. When I ordered the shade finder, I wouldn't say it wasn't available, but it wasn't updated. It's just like things weren't adding up. And I'm going to put in some clips of my other foundations. Anytime I swatch on my foundations, they automatically go on golden. But these foundations definitely do oxidize. So even that shade throughout the day, it oxidized. And I thought it did fine, but let the folks in the comment tell it that's not your color. Da, 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 da. And I'm telling you right now, Burkina, she blending, but she a little too red for my taste. I like my undertone, my golden undertone to come out. But we already got her. She took 2 weeks to get here. That same day of that review, I paused my review and instead of concealer shade 13 that I had, I went back and ordered 10. And I ordered Burkina. Why it took 3 weeks, 2.5 weeks, I don't know. I have several emails from me and whomever trying to get the right shade, trying to get the right shade sent out before it was mailed out. And this is just why I'm getting it. So what I actually did is that Sunday I realized, I think I ordered Kampala. And I was like, no, Kampala won't be right. It'll be Burkina. So what happened was I emailed them like, before this is mailed out, can I have it shipped? Got like a generic answer via email. So I was like, let me try this email again. And it says, we're going to send it over to our team. Da, 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 da. I check a couple of times throughout the week. Hey, is everything okay? Will it be sent to me? Etc. etc. Another generic email, and it's basically going to tell you to rate how this was handled. And I'm like, I can't rate nothing. And then they asked me to send a copy of the number on the packing slip, and I'm like, what packing slip? I don't have one. So I was like, you know what? I don't want it. I don't want it again. It's all good. I'll take my losses. Let me file a dispute with PayPal or something. That's when they got back. So this is concealer shade 11 versus 13. What I had 13 now, I will say, was too light. But this is kind of like skin tone color. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to mix some of the 13 into the 11. Keep in mind, it's a very hydrating formula, which matches the matte. Like, I don't like to be too matte. Matte foundation and matte concealer. Like, that's established. I don't like that look. So all in all, now it's a good foundation and it's all of that. This is just what happened with my order. I'm not going to order from them. That's not what I'm saying, y'all. I'm just saying it was a mix up with my order, because what I wanted to do was a side-by-side comparison to the very first color I got, which, shit, what color did I get? Like I said, I just wanted to do this to give a wear test, and I'm going to compare pictures to Nairobi, because I may be one of these people that just can wear both colors. This doesn't look as light, definitely, as the other one, but keep in mind with mattes, any matte foundation is going to dry down, but then we balance it with our concealer and highlighting and all that. So although she was a little too light, I'll still take it and mix it and use it into something. So basically, by the time I got this, I could have waited until it was in Juvia's place, but I didn't. So okay, face is done. Light, simple today, right? Just focusing on the foundation and the wear test. It is 11:30 a.m. I have a short shift today, but I have other things to do, so we're gonna have timestamps throughout the video, because I want y'all to see how the other one oxidized and looked throughout the day. Like, it didn't look horrible, you know, but I think this shade will work a little better. So let me get to work and we're gonna document throughout the day. So this is Burkina outside in this natural light. I'm about to step into the sunlight, and this is how she is looking. And it is 11:40 a.m. Okay, it's 12:43. This ain't natural lighting. This is in the back room. This is how I'm holding up. So y'all gonna be on my video, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna ask the ladies, how y'all think the foundation look?
It looks really good.
Okay, still really holding up?
I like it. I do. It's really natural.
Okay, that'll work. So it's 4 o'clock. I'm clocking out, and this is what I'm looking like, y'all. Come in closer. Like, she's holding up, okay? So the whole object of this video was not to see how this color looked versus Nairobi. And like I said, I got the clips of Nairobi throughout the day because they both last. We know that by now, but I'm looking flawless. Okay, I'm back up on y'all screen, y'all. It is the end of the night. It is 10:46 p.m. I think I started my makeup about 10:30, so approximately 12 hours. And I must say, face to neck ratio, Burkina did so much better, you all. But what I want to do as well is, see how I'm shiny? But this has been all day. So going in with some powder takes it back down. It's smoothly set under the eyes. All that. I'm loving it, y'all. I think my initial review, I wouldn't say like I screwed it up. This is the Fenty Invisimatte, which I love. I just think, unlike a lot of people, I misunderstood the colors or taking my time and reading it and what it says versus going by what the picture looked like. But if you can see in my video, again, a lot of my foundations swatch on golden because I like more of the golden undertone than the cool golden or the neutral that I could pass for. The golden I just feel looks better on me, and that's just a personal thing. So I kind of just screwed out my first review, but all in all, 2 weeks later, I'm sure 100 reviews out here by now. Nobody really cares, but I just wanted to bring y'all an update that I got the right shade, and yeah, it's gonna be a summer staple. So see y'all in the next video. And if y'all see this look again, 11 o'clock at night, I'm getting ready to film part of my bra haul.